Samsung was largely expected to kick off the display whole trend. Recent teasers have suggested that Huawei will beat its South Korean rival to market. And today, just days after Huawei's first offering leaked, the Nova 4 has showed up again in a new set of images that provide a much clearer look. At an event held in celebration of Chinese singer Jackson Yee's 18th birthday, Huawei chose to show off its upcoming smartphone for a brief moment. So yeah, here we have the official first look of the Huawei Nova 4, and this look insane. Just as expected, the Nova 4 make use of a small camera hole in the top left corner of the display. Huawei even live streamed of a demo of a prototype device with such a screen hole, which served as the basis of this render. Admittedly, the presenters were very careful not to show the back during the live stream. The hole subsequently removes the need for a notch, thus allowing a significantly smaller bezel. However, following in the footsteps of most 2018 smartphones, a chin beneath the display is still visible. The rear design of the Huawei's Nova 4 is currently unconfirmed, but is expected to resemble the Huawei P20 Pro. Elsewhere, these particular images do point towards a bottom-firing speaker and a USB Type-C port. Furthermore, the images that leaked a few days ago revealed the presence of a headphone jack on the top of the device. Lastly, another tipster Bandcascan has published what is seemingly a concept render of the upcoming Huawei Nova 4 with the same design as seen in the video and the other leaks. Do note that this is not an official press renders and instead one created on the basis of the leaks that have emerged in the past few days. The Huawei Nova 4 is currently expected to go official in China on December 12. Shortly after this, a release is expected to take place in the market. However, when it comes to the international, this probably won't happen until early 2019. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.